let me see SO7 board. Then after that I will reduce its size. SO7 board, place it here, then go back test to the second one, go to edit. Also I'll go to the font, SO7 board, then I will reduce its fonts, its size also, move it a little bit and check the first one. Okay, then I'll go to the third one. I'll go to the text also. I will edit. I'll change its font. I'll go to SO7 bold also. Then after I will reduce its size. I'll place it here. Then I'll check my time. Okay, we have 6 minutes. I'll bring it here and use it here. Then I'll go to the last one. I'll go back. I'll go to edit. I'll go to the font. Then I'll go back to SO7 fold. SO7 board. Then I will resize also. Then I will place it here. Click. Then bring this one a little bit and this one a little bit, and that's that about that. Is our transition. Then the transition I'll be giving the two. I'll go to edit. Then I'll click this bubble here. This bubble here. This circle here. I'll click it. Then I'll be giving a transition. Can you see? Yes. I'll give the second one the same transition. That's our Qur'an fast. I'll be giving it the same transition. Edit. Let me just. Okay. I'll give them the same transition. Edit. The same transition. Okay. Then I will now go to my text, the translation. I'll give it different transition. I'll give it the second transition here. The second one. I'll give it different transition. The third one. I'll give it different transition. And the fourth one, I'll give it different transition. Then after that, I can now go back to text. Let me move it a little bit. Then I will now click a text again. I want to brand it with my ALM creative. I wanted to brand it ALM creative. Then I'll move to the top. Can you see it? No? The timer has gone. Then I will now shift till I will now expand it till it cover all the higher. Can you see? Then I will now give it a transition also. This is a transition. I'll give it this. I'll give it this in. I'll just give it in the in transition. edit it. Let me expand. Okay, I think I will stop for now.